if there was a gadget that not only relaxes your eyes, but keeps you connected while doing so? Picture an experience where gentle acupressure, rhythmic vibrations, and soothing heat come together seamlessly. Now imagine this innovative device also lets you multitask with its one-of-a-kind see-through mirrored surface. In today's video, we unveil a must-have gadget for your daily relaxation routine. Stay tuned to uncover what sets this device apart and find out why this gadget is a game-changer. Let's go right in. Elevate your Nintendo Switch experience with the Unitek Switch Game Card Reader. The Unitek Switch Game Card Reader is a must-have accessory for Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED users, offering an easy way to switch between up to 4 game cards without constantly swapping them out. With a simple button press or the included remote control, you can quickly transition between games, enhancing your gaming experience. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, this card reader attaches securely to the Switch docking station, ensuring proper ventilation while protecting your game cards and console from wear and tear. The LED button provides a clear indication of which game is active, making it easy to manage your games. Compact and lightweight, the Unitek card reader is perfect for gamers who frequently use TV mode. It's a practical solution for those who play multiple games, offering both convenience and protection and making it an ideal gift for any gaming enthusiast. Protect and upgrade your Steam Deck with the JSAUX ModCase. The JSAUX ModCase for Steam Deck provides durable, full-body protection while enhancing functionality with its modular design. Made from eco-friendly materials, it shields the device from scratches and cracks and includes a protective back case, metal stand, strap, and front cover. It's specifically designed for the Valve Steam Deck and features perfectly aligned cutouts for all ports. The mod case stands out for its flexibility, allowing users to attach additional accessories like the JSAUX cooling fan, which helps prevent overheating during long gaming sessions. Despite its robust protection, the case remains lightweight and easy to carry, making it an ideal choice for gamers on the go. Additionally, the included cooling fan effectively reduces the Steam Deck's temperature, enhancing performance without draining the battery. With its modular features and protective qualities, the JSAUX ModCase is a versatile and practical accessory for Steam Deck users. Illuminate your space with creativity and functionality using the Buyya LED pixel art display. The Buyya LED pixel art display is a versatile and eye-catching gadget perfect for both decoration and functionality. This 7.9-inch display features a 16 by 16 LED matrix that allows users to create custom animations, digital graffiti, and programmable signs. It's also equipped with practical features like a digital clock, alarm, and schedule reminders, all easily controlled via the Buyya app. Designed for easy use, the display comes with a stand for desktop placement and slots for wall mounting. It's an excellent addition to any gaming room, enhancing the experience with vivid pixel art and music sync features. The precise digital clock syncs directly with your phone, ensuring accurate time without manual adjustments, and it offers customizable styles to suit any preference. Ideal as a gift or educational tool, the Buyya LED pixel art display stimulates creativity, especially in children, by allowing them to create and animate their own designs. Upgrade your home security effortlessly with the Armorcope light bulb security camera. The Armorcope light bulb security camera is a game-changer in home security, blending a standard light bulb with advanced surveillance capabilities. Easy to install, it fits into any E26 or E27 socket and connects wirelessly to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, making setup a breeze without the need for complex wiring or external power sources. This camera stands out with its 360-degree motion tracking, detecting movement up to 30 feet away and automatically recording and following the action. Its 2K HD color night vision, powered by Magic Pix technology, ensures clear, detailed images even in low light, allowing you to monitor your property day and night. The enhanced AI motion detection can distinguish between humans and pets, reducing false alerts and focusing on genuine threats. Armorcope also offers flexible storage options, including secure cloud storage and SD card support for continuous recording. The built-in two-way audio feature adds another layer of functionality, enabling direct communication with anyone near the camera, whether to deter intruders or greet visitors. This combination of ease, advanced technology, and comprehensive features makes the Armorcope light bulb security camera a top choice for home protection. Discover how the Armorcope light bulb security camera can revolutionize your home security with its easy installation and advanced features. But that's just the beginning. Stay tuned for more exciting gadgets. The Redragon K617. Rapid Trigger Gaming Keyboard is designed for gamers who demand speed and precision. Equipped with Hall magnetic switches, it eliminates physical input delay, making your commands 10 times faster and ensuring a longer lifespan. This advanced technology allows you to precisely adjust the actuation point from 0.3 to 4.0 millimeters, enabling ultra-responsive gameplay that gives you the edge in competitive situations. With an 8,000 Hz hyperpolling rate, the K617 ensures your inputs are transmitted up to 8 times faster than standard keyboards, reducing latency to just 0.125 millisecond. The keyboard software also lets you assign 2 actions to a single key based on pressure, simplifying complex moves and making it easier to execute skill combos. Ideal for games that require quick reflexes and precise timing, like Valorant, CSGO, and Apex, the K617 gives you the control needed to dominate your opponents. Its combination of speed, customization, and accuracy makes it an essential tool for serious gamers. Effortlessly achieve a spotless home with the SereneLife Smart Automatic Robot Vacuum. The SereneLife Smart Automatic Robot Vacuum is designed to make home cleaning effortless and efficient. With a powerful suction system, it easily lifts tiny dust particles and pet hair, reaching areas that regular vacuums might miss. The vacuum's low-profile design, standing just under 3 inches tall, allows it to glide under furniture, ensuring a thorough clean across hardwood, tile, linoleum, and low-pile carpets. Equipped with smart features, this robot vacuum adjusts its suction power based on the environment and automatically returns to its charging dock when the battery is low. Its obstacle detection and anti-fall sensors provide safe navigation around furniture and stairs. The dual rotating brushes effectively sweep debris from edges and corners, while the included HEPA filter helps keep allergens contained. This vacuum also offers convenient extras like a remote control for easy operation and a mop cloth for added cleaning versatility. With up to 70 minutes of runtime, the SereneLife Robot Vacuum ensures your floors stay spotless with minimal effort on your part, making it an ideal cleaning solution for any home. Capture stunning first-person perspectives with the TELESIN Magnetic Neck Mount. The TELESIN Magnetic Neck Mount is a game-changer for hands-free mobile shooting, offering a quick-release design that lets you attach and detach your phone with a single click. This mount's strong magnetic hold and adjustable gooseneck allow for versatile shooting angles, from portrait to landscape, making it ideal for capturing first-person perspectives. Built for both comfort and durability, the mount features a sturdy stainless steel gooseneck encased in aluminum, wrapped in soft silicone for a comfortable fit. It's compatible with iPhone 12 and newer models, as well as various Android phones, ensuring a secure hold whether you're vlogging, hiking, or simply capturing your daily activities. Perfect for active users, the TELESIN neck mount provides stability and ease of use in any setting, making it a must-have accessory for anyone looking to elevate their mobile content creation effortlessly. Curious about the device we shared with you right from the start? Well, soothe eye strain and headaches with the BOKOR Eye Massager. The BOKOR Eye Massager with heat is a versatile device designed to relieve eye strain, headaches, and fatigue. It uses gentle acupressure and rhythmic vibrations to target key points around the eyes, while the heat function improves circulation, making it an effective solution for daily eye care. What makes the BOKOR Eye Massager unique is its see-through mirrored surface, allowing users to multitask while enjoying the massage. With Bluetooth connectivity for music and adjustable modes for personalized comfort, it offers a relaxing experience tailored to individual needs. This eye massager is not only affordable but also highly functional, with features like multiple massage modes, portability, and FSA, or HSA eligibility. It's a smart investment for anyone looking to alleviate eye discomfort and enhance relaxation. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll have a look at an innovative gadget considered to be the first and only perimeter wire-free robot lawnmower that can handle complex lawns up to 5,000 square meters. That and a lot more, so keep watching and we'll see you in our next video.